MTDCNC have travelled to Germany today on behalf of DTS. We're here at the KNUTH showroom. Marcin, we're going to be talking about this vertical machining centre, or this range of vertical machining centres. These are the VECTORs available, as I said, from DTS in the UK. If people are looking for an affordable solution, this could be the machine, couldn't it? Tell us a little bit of detail about the VECTOR range.
Well, this is great machine in terms of price-quality ratio. It's available starting from 650 millimeters travel in the x-axis up to 1 meter.
Okay, now this is the 850M version. What you mentioned to me about the affordability and what comes with the machine, that's one of your kind of key selling points, isn't it? How you spec the machines up, what they come with. Can you elaborate?
Exactly. The extended standard equipment is including 10,000 RPM spindle, double arm tool changer, chip flushing system, shop mill, which is included as a standard with Siemens Z-numeric 8 to 8D, double layer safety glass. Then you have a spindle oil cooler, a CTS 30 bar, and oil.
The list
steamer.
goes on. It's quite also a swarf conveyor on the machine as well as standard.
Exactly, and the bucket.
and the bucket. Now this double door here. I'm just going to shut this because you mentioned this is an important point actually. You mentioned toughened glass on here, or toughened plastic. Just what's the advantage to that?
Well, first of all, inside, the toughened glass allows you to keep the good visibility through the whole years of using the machine, because the tougher glass is not so easy to scratch. So that's definitely an advantage. And
also, maybe we often go in machine shops and windows are smashed. And is this going to avoid that or help to avoid that?
Definitely it will. It will protect the operator.
I also like here, if we look at this as an operator, this is quite neat as well, isn't it? The way you've got the Siemens control here positioned. Is Siemens the only option that you offer with these machines, or that DTS can supply with these machines?
We are offering them also with FANUC controller.
FANUC control as well. And we all know that the vertical machining centre range is a very saturated market. There's lots of machines to choose from. Is this a popular range, and do you sell many?
Yes, this is one of the most popular models in our portfolio.
And when it comes to spare parts and the support that you can offer here from Germany, of course, engineers in the UK will be buying these machines through DTS. But are you equipped to be able to support users around the world?
Yes, of course. We have spare parts on stock available in short delivery time.